Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to insert additional models into your story. In many cases, we run stories looking at our expenses, and if we wanted to see the details of each expense, we can use this method. We'll first show you the expense we have in Fund Details, then we can add the data of that same expense from the accounts payable side for a more detailed breakdown. Let's begin. Starting from our story, we can see the breakdown of our fund detail statement here. But let's say we need more details on the expenses. Well, we can dive into more information on the accounts payable side by adding that model. We'll click on Edit, and then we'll click on the plus sign here to add a responsive page. Next, we'll click on the table icon over here and it will insert the story we are currently viewing, which is the fund details statement. We'll expand our table by clicking and dragging over here, and then we'll double click our title and enter a name for our first table. Feel free to rearrange the table exactly to how you want it to be. Afterwards, we'll add another model in our other page by clicking on the empty page and selecting the table again. Now, in order to change this model, we'll click on the pencil icon over here and then click on OK. We can search for the model that we want by typing it in or by clicking on Select Other Models to browse for it. After selecting the model that we want, the prompt screen will appear and we can input our data, similar to how we do for any other story. We'll click on Set when we're done. We can now expand our model, give it a name, and compare the data of both tables in real time. Scrolling through, we can see that the information for both models match up. As you can see on the left-hand side, we are limited to viewing the vendor, document type, and a few others. But over on the right-hand side, we can see a lot more data for our expense, such as the clearing date, the check number, vendor invoice number, and many more dimensions as shown in the designer. We can even remove dimensions in real time and add more to our models if needed. Feel free to utilize this method when comparing two separate stories. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.